So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will show you a wallet's airdrop, a new wallet's name is Quantum Wallet, where you can sign up and get 3000 SATU tokens for free. They're worth about $900, but I will show you its all process there, how you can claim it, and its all websites, tokenomics, all details here. So you have to just for the complete video here. So friends, this is their official website. I will provide you its website link in description. You can also check out by yourself. You can see Quantum Wallet mission to create brand new platform that integrates digital asset management, payments, and smart financial planning. You can read out all details here, and you can see you can download from Google Play and also on Android. I download Android. Google Play is still not working. Maybe you can check out by yourself also. Play this video for the more details. Introduction to the Quantum Wallet. You can read out all further details here. Client API and interface layer, login layer, storage layer, and this all details are provided here. I will show you tokenomics here, friends. You can see technology roadmap 2024-25. They have launched you can see debut of Quantum Wallet USA and ADU token on BNB and Tron network. This token is working on two blockchains. One is Tron, other is BNB blockchain. In quarter 1 of this year, they are officially launching ATU tokens to be listed in DAXs. Okay, just like on PancakeSwap and maybe on SunSwap, because both are the Tron and BNB's DAXs. You can check out all roadmap here. Okay, till 2035 is almost 60% token will be airdrop. You can see, friends, airdrop has highest percent of its supply, that is 60%, and ATS revenue distribution is 8%. For charity, they have 2% token. Community promotions and inactive sales, 2% of supply. Quantum developer and technical team has 5% supply. Marketing and payment and liquidity operations has 23% supply. Coin has total 5 billion supply. Okay, you can see 5 billion at you tokens total supplies. This is good. So now how you can claim these free tokens, I will share you. First you have to click here, download app. You can download this app in APK version, or you can download from Play Store. I think it's still Play Store is not working, so you have to download here. After that, its registration is very simple. When you open the app, you can see import and create. You have to click here in create wallet, not on import, because we are going to sign up first time, so we have to create wallet. So we will click here in create wallet. After that, you have to set a pin numbers or password. You can see just like 12345 or 23456, something like that. You have to set your pin here. After that, you have to again paste same pin, okay, twice, because to confirm. After that, you have to click here and here. Here you can see, friends, check all the option to confirm, understand and importance of the mimic phrases. So you have to click here these three, okay, charts. After that, you click here generate phrases. Then same like Trustword and MetaMask, they will provide you, I think, 12 or 15 words that you have to write down on a notebook, or you have to save them anywhere. After that, it's simple process, just like Trustword. You have to paste the correct word. Okay, so then your wallet will be created. After that, friends, they may ask you which was the third word, which one is the ninth word, which one is the 10th word. So you have to just watch from your written words, and you can import here. You can see import successful. After that, you have to wait here for 3 seconds, and then your wallet will be created here. You can see, friends, my wallet is also created here. Currently, I have 0 ATU tokens in Tron, and you can see 0 STU tokens here, and my total balance, wallet balance, is also 0. So for that, what I have to do, I have to click here in invite. You can also click here in invite. After that, you have to pass your code here. Okay, please enter invitation code. So you have to pass your invitation code here. I will provide you, my invitation code is QBUVJA. So you have to just paste my code here. I provide you my code in description. After that, you can click in submit. After paste my code there, you can get 3000 tokens free. They're worth about $900, but currently you cannot transfer them, you cannot withdraw them anywhere, because still this token is not listed anywhere. You can see, friends, P2P option is also available here, but you cannot do this right now. You can also stake Tron and USDT here, you can see, and an 18% APR here, and in Tron also 18% APR. But definitely I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not suggest you to invest here, because personally I'm also not investing here. Otherwise you can see all other options here. You can share this with your friends, with your team. Wallet management, all details here, you can contact them also, there's support. And click on wallet, you can also join your friends. This is my invitation code. When you open your app, you will find your invitation code here. This is good. This is their official Telegram channel. We have 2,527 members already, 195 members online. You can check out all further details or recent update here about this project. So this is the all about this project.